It's a tricky segue to make off that breaking news, Rod, so I appreciate your patience. But let's talk about this space, which you make your living investing in. How do you think the sector looks coming into the new year?
Yeah, good to see you, Scott. Look, we're cautiously optimistic, I would say, in the short term. I think short term, it's mainly a story of the macro headwinds that you're just talking about, like interest rates that they decline. That's good for the space. And then if we do enter a recession next year, we'll see more of a rotation back into healthcare. That's the short-term thing. I think, look, medium-term, long-term, the important thing is that innovation is strong. Small companies are still cheap. There's a lot of innovation going on. We like areas like cell therapy, RNA, immunology, and cancer.
I'm looking at some of the stock ideas that we visited with you last time. Since you mentioned RNA, I mean, that's literally the ticker symbol for one of your picks, Avidity. I mean, it's had a really rough go here. It's down near 50% year to date. Can you tell us what the issue you think is there, if you're still invested in it, if you would stay with it, if you're one of our viewers who might have followed you in based on the recommendation?
No, you bet. So Avidity, I think investors are basically nervous ahead of their proof of concept data in patients that's due just around the corner, right? So the reason we've liked the name is they're one of the leaders in the RNA space that's looking to try to deliver RNA medicines into the muscle. And there's a list of diseases that we talked a little bit about last time that are terrible diseases, no available therapy, right? And so we're still optimistic that they're going to be able to get the RNA into the muscle and that you're going to be able to make an impact on some of these diseases.
I'm looking at some of your new stock ideas. MRTX is one, Mirati. Can you talk about why you like that? And can you give us any indication on when you actually invested in that company?
You bet. So Mirati, we've been invested for a while now. So the past couple of years, where it stands today is that they have a drug awaiting approval for refractory lung cancer. And it targets a very specific mutation called KRAS. It's actually a good example of the type of drug that might not have been developed, right, if the IRA was around back when this drug was discovered. But right now, assuming there's no hiccups to approval, which should be very soon, I think investors' primary focus is they're watching for data to see if it can combine better with drugs that are used frontline for lung cancer. And if it does, that could help it leapfrog its primary competitor, which is Amgen. So that data hopefully is before the end of the year.
How about Adicet? And I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. ACET, the ticker?
That's exactly right. This is also a cancer company. It's totally different in the sense that it is a cell therapy company. So they're working on second-generation cell therapy, which is basically trying to make cell therapies off the shelf instead of patient-specific products, right? So these earlier cell therapies, they've had super high cure rates in certain cancer types like lymphoma, but they've been really hard to access, even with multiple of them on the market now, because of the logistics and the long wait time you have to waiting for the product to be made. So they have a data update at a big cancer conference in a couple of weeks in New Orleans called ASH, and hopefully those data continue to look good.